What up, mofos? We back. No hooks. You already know that LaFo said no hooks. But we leaving the gym right now. I'm just gonna do a little POV vid. You already know. So it's not gonna be that long of a video, but I'm gonna get a little drive in for all my V8 boys. Come on, man. So now I'm gonna try a new thing. I'm gonna try to post every day. Damn, this shit's squeaking. Damn! My boy! Anyways, I'm probably gonna be posting every day. I'm gonna try to. I don't know what kind of content it's gonna be, but... Ooh, you heard that? That's what I like to hear. I don't know if the white's fitting the vibe. Change that up. What color should we do? Let's go blue. Yeah. Alright. That was a cop. Woo. Yeah, I'm loving the blue. That shit downshifting. I'll get on it. Don't worry. If y'all are new though, hit that subscribe button, bro. Boy, be getting active. Here, I'll do a little pull right here. Fuck it. Woo! Should get down. If anything though, if you guys can just comment what you want to see, that'll kind of like help. Try to be realistic too. You know what I'm saying? Don't be like, oh yeah, throw like 5 turbos in a car. Like, you know, I ain't got money like that. Sounds so good. Usually I got music jamming, so. Car behind me, but fuck it. Holy shit! Damn, I got my stomach dropping. Holy shit. It's actually been a minute since I did that. Stomach dropped. That shit sounds good. That shit sounds heavenly. Heavenly, bro. I need to get an exhaust system ASAP. If y'all trying to donate me one. I'm sorry that my car's not like fully built or anything. I live by myself, so it's hard to like afford all kinds of shit for a car. Dude, the blue goes hard though. Yeah, don't mind all the lights. If you've seen my previous video, you'll understand why 2 of those lights are on. One's like increased steering, and then the other one's just a fucking brake sensor. Sorry guys that I can't use my GoPro. I don't know how to do the settings on it yet. So at nighttime I use my phone. Here we go. We can do a big ass pull right here. Slow down. She gets up, dude. I love this car. It gets up. But like if I go to comfort mode, you wouldn't even know. Like comfort mode's pretty smooth too. The only thing I gotta say is this thing is ass on gas, bro. Horrible. Even when I'm just in comfort, like I don't even get on it like that. But yeah, that will do it. Comment down below what you guys want to see tomorrow. And sorry, I don't got like intros and shit. I just get straight to it. You know, this is cold-hearted, fresh out the cut. You know what I mean? Just straight to the video. No hook. No hooks, like Love Fo said. But yeah, just comment down what you guys want to see, and I can see if I can make it happen. See what I can do. So just let me know. Comment down below. Let me see if I can get 2 likes on this video. Alright guys. Peace out.